Hey everyone, Dr. B here, and let's talk life hacks for healthy weight loss. Did you know that small, consistent changes in your daily habits can lead to lasting weight loss? It's true. Science shows that little things we can do every day matter more than crash diets or quick fixes. It's all about building an easy, sustainable lifestyle. We're talking simple tweaks you can stick with for the long haul. So what habits can you start today for a healthier tomorrow? Let's find out. Make sure to pay close attention to tips 2 and 3 to jumpstart your progress. All right, first up, let's give you a tip you probably didn't know about sleep. Did you know that not getting enough rest can mess with your hunger hormones? That's right. Poor sleep increases cravings and makes it harder to resist that bag of chips or that extra slice of pizza. You know what I'm talking about. Those late-night cravings when you're exhausted. Sleep deprivation throws your hormones out of whack. The hunger hormone goes into overdrive, while the I'm full hormone takes a nosedive. Not a good combo. So how do we fix this? It's all about creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Think of it as a wind-down ritual for your mind and body. Start by dimming the lights an hour or so before bed. That signals to your brain that it's time to start producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. Next up, ditch the screens. I know it's tempting to scroll through social media or watch just one more episode, but that blue light emitted from your devices? Yeah, that messes with your melatonin production. Instead, try reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to some calming music. And of course, keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Now, let's talk about how we kickstart our day, people. We're not hitting the snooze button here. We're talking about morning movement. And no, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Morning movement is a game changer for boosting metabolism. Whether it's stretching, yoga, or a brisk walk, starting with activity upregulates your energy consumption and sets a positive tone for your day. Remember, a body in motion stays in motion. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of solid exercise can make a world of difference. It gets your blood flowing, wakes up your muscles, and tells your body it's time to burn some calories. And you know what? It just feels good. It's a natural mood booster. But wait, there's more. Don't forget strength training. Now, before you start picturing moving heavy weights, I'm talking simple body weight exercises that you can do right at home. Think squats, push-ups, planks, lunges. These exercises target multiple muscle groups at once, making them efficient for both building strength and torching calories. So, set your alarm clock a little earlier and start your day with some movement. Okay, ready for a little science lesson? Don't worry, I promise to make it painless. Let's talk about NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Sounds complicated, right? But it's actually pretty simple. NEAT is basically all the calories you burn doing everyday activities that aren't exercise. Think walking, taking the stairs, cleaning the house, even fidgeting. You see, our bodies are constantly burning calories, even when we're not hitting the gym. And the best part about NEAT is that it's totally customizable to your life. You don't need to block out a specific time for it or wear workout clothes. It's all about finding little ways to move more throughout your day. So how can you incorporate more NEAT into your life? Let's get creative. Park farther away from the entrance at work or the grocery store. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk around while you're on the phone. Do some squats while you're brushing your teeth. All right, let's talk about something we all need. Water. You know, that clear, refreshing liquid that keeps us alive? Well, it's not just essential for survival, it's also a secret weapon for weight loss. You see, dehydration can often masquerade as hunger. Ever feel those mid-afternoon cravings hit, and you just want to devour a bag of chips? Well, Chances are you're just thirsty, not actually hungry. Staying properly hydrated helps boost your metabolism, keeps those pesky cravings in check, and helps your body function at its best. So, how much water should you be drinking? A good rule of thumb is to aim for half your body weight in ounces per day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water daily. Now, I know what you're thinking. Drinking plain water all day long can get a little boring. So, let's jazz things up. Try adding some natural flavors like lemon, lime, cucumber, or even berries to your water. Remember, water is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. Let's be real for a minute. Life can be stressful. Whether it's work deadlines, family drama, or just the general chaos of daily life, stress can take a toll on both our mental and physical health. And here's the kicker. Stress can actually sabotage our weight loss efforts. You see, when we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. Now, cortisol is not all bad. It helps regulate our energy levels and metabolism. But when cortisol levels are chronically elevated due to constant stress, it can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly area. So, what's the solution? Stress management, my friends. And no, I'm not talking about quitting your job or escaping to a deserted island, although that does sound tempting sometimes. I'm talking about incorporating simple stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine. Find what works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Okay, let's face it. In today's digital age, most of us spend way too much time sitting down. Whether it's at a desk job, commuting, or just relaxing at home, all that sitting can wreak havoc on our health and our waistlines. Prolonged sitting slows down our metabolism, reduces calorie expenditure, and increases our risk of weight gain and other health problems. But fear not, my friends. I'm not going to suggest you quit your job or give up your Netflix binging. Instead, let's outsmart our sedentary tendencies with the power of technology. That's right, we're going to use our phones and gadgets to our advantage. Set movement reminders throughout the day. These days, there are tons of apps and smartwatches that can help you stay on track. You can set reminders to stand up, stretch, or take a quick walk every hour. Movement shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be something you look forward to, a way to break up the monotony of your day and give your body a much-needed energy boost. If we're going to spend too much time sitting, let's talk posture. And no, I'm not just talking about looking good in photos, although that's definitely a bonus. Good posture is about more than just aesthetics. It's about optimizing your health and well-being from the inside out. When you maintain proper posture, you're not only aligning your bones and joints correctly, but you're also improving your breathing, digestion, and even your calorie burn. That's right. Standing or sitting up straight can actually help you burn more calories throughout the day. So, how do we improve our posture? Awareness is key. Start by paying attention to how you're sitting and standing throughout the day. Are your shoulders slumped forward? Is your head jutting out like a turtle? If so, it's time to make some adjustments. When you're sitting at a desk, make sure your feet are flat on the floor, your back is straight, and your shoulders are relaxed. When you're standing, imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Good posture is a gift you give yourself, a way to move through life with more confidence, grace, and ease. Now let's talk about the power of the mind. You see, our minds are incredibly powerful tools, capable of shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and even our physical reality. And when it comes to weight loss, visualization can be our secret weapon. Visualization is a technique used by athletes, performers, and successful people from all walks of life to achieve their goals. It's about creating a clear mental picture of what you want to achieve and then immersing yourself in that vision. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more real it becomes in your mind, and the more likely you are to take action to make it a reality. It's like planting a seed in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind and watching it grow. So, how can we use visualization for weight loss? It's all about creating a vision board or a mental movie of your ideal, healthy lifestyle. Close your eyes and imagine yourself at your goal weight, feeling confident, energized, and radiant. Picture yourself moving with ease, making healthy choices effortlessly, and rocking that outfit you've always wanted to wear. Imagine how good it feels to prioritize your health and well-being. The more you focus on these positive feelings and images, the more motivated you'll be to make them a reality. So there you have it, 8 simple daily habits that can lead to lasting weight loss. Here's the magic. These habits don't work in isolation. They build on each other. When you start your day with movement, you feel more energized to stay active throughout. When you're well rested, you make better choices all day. These small habits create a ripple effect that transforms your entire lifestyle. To recap, here are the 8 simple daily habits for lasting weight loss. Get quality sleep. Start your day with morning movement and strength training. Incorporate NEAT. Move more throughout your day. Stay hydrated. Manage stress daily. Set movement reminders. Improve your posture. Use visualization to stay motivated. These small changes, done consistently, lead to big results over time.